Okay, today we're doing a pH lab. I'm going to read the introduction to you, and then I'm going to show you a short how do you do this lab. Just some examples. We have 10 total substances. I'm only going to show 2 of them just so you know what to do. The pH scale is a convenient way for comparing the concentration of hydrogen ions in an aqueous solution. Hydrogen ions. pH can be measured by indicators. Compounds whose color is sensitive to pH. So an indicator is something that will change colors to let you know the pH. And you can refer, depending what color it turns, you can refer to this chart. Or your pH poster, which is due today as well. Let me show you how you're going to actually do the lab. The best way to stay organized, everyone should have gotten one of these. You will wash these out when you're done, is to write down all the substances inside here. Since some of them are clear, they will look similar. So you could say you'll put HCl in here, aspirin in here, let's see, baking soda, tea, pop, NaOH. And you can refer back to all these substances. There's 10 there, and just fill it up here. So when you're putting it in, you'll know which is what, so you can accurately write your data, which is back here. So for each substance, you're going just to put in one well, but you're going to test it with 3 different things. Here's universal, and here's the data box for universal. Here's litmus, and then phenolphthalein is right here. Okay, and then if it does change colors in here, you would write that down here. Okay, so let me show you the front. I'm going to do aspirin. Okay. And I said aspirin's right there, so I'm going to keep it there. You don't need to fill up the whole well. Please do not do that. We'll run out of stuff by the end of the day. Okay, so now I will test the universal. Okay, here's the universal paper, and I'm just going to clamp it with some forceps and dip it in and see if it changes colors. And then you can just set it down on a paper towel when you're done. It is trash. So the universal did not change colors, it just got a little bit darker. Next, I'm going to do my litmus paper, which starts off as purple. I'm going to dip it in the aspirin, see if it changes colors. Ah, it did. Okay. This now pink paper, I don't know if you can see it, started off as purple. Okay, so it did change colors. So on the data table on the back for aspirin, when I put the litmus paper, I'm going to write it turned pink. The very last one we need to test is the phenolphthalein. You just need 1 drop of this stuff. It's very strong. So you just do 1 drop and see if it changes colors. You kind of mix it up by shaking it. It did not change any color, so you would just write it's clear. So you'll do that for all 10 substances. Okay, test put 3 different testers, universal, litmus, and phenolphthalein, and see if it changes colors for any of them. When you're done, please go rinse it out with soap and water. You must wear your goggles during this lab because there are acids.